Hello ma'am, this is Betty. I'm going to create the first experiment using the real command. So here creating the tables with the primary constant key, the first question. So we're going to create 5 tables, that is customer, orders, order line, product and supplier. So let's get the table. Yeah, table is created, and then creating order table. Order table is also created, and creating order line table. The order line table is also created, and creating product and product table is also created, and then creating suppliers, supply table is also created. Now second question, I'm going to add foreign key reference to the customer ID attribute. To add a foreign key reference, the command is alter table orders, add constant foreign key customer reference customer and a customer ID. So here table is altered, and then I'm going to give add an attribute called price in the order line. So to add an attribute called price in the order line, table, alter table order line, and price number is 10. So I'm going to give table has been altered. Now modify the table, the product finish in the product table, the product material. So to modify the table, alter table product rename column, product finish to product material. Here's the attribute. Now I'm gonna add check constant to audit quantity column. So to add a check constant, this is it. Alter table order line, add constant order line check, and table is created. I'm going to add a not null constant in the customer name attribute, and to add not null constant, alter table customer modify customer name varchar non null. Table is altered. Now I'm going to rename the table order line to order quantity. So the command is rename order line to order quantity. The statement is processed. Now I'm going to describe the structure of the customer and the order table. So describe the structure of the customer and order table. Here customer table is being described and order table is also being described. So I'm going to add, now I'm going to insert few values in the corresponding table. So the command is insert into customer values. So the rows are being inserted. So I'm inserting few values the customer. Customer table. Now to view the table, giving select star from customer. So I've inserted few values into the customer table, and here is the output. Now I'm going to insert few values in the order table. Values are being inserted in each and every row. Now the values will be inserted. Values are being inserted. Now to see the values, select star from orders. The values are being inserted are displayed. Now same thing, I'm going to insert values into the order quantity table. Order quantity table. The table is, the rows are being inserted. The orders are getting inserted. Okay, now to select to see the output from the order quantity, how many values are selected, I'm going to get select star from order quantity. Now I'm going to same thing I'm going to add for the product table. So I'm going to see select star from product. I'm going to see how many values are being selected, and then supplier, into supplier I'm going to give it a supplier table. Rows are being inserted into the supplier table. Now to see how many values are being inserted, select star from supplier. The table is being shown. Now we're going to display the product table in the order line order quantity. And from the product table. Okay. Now to select the details of the customer living in the New York. So here, so select customer ID, customer name, address, state and postal code. Here it's given John Doe. I'm going to update the postal code of Mary Smith. To update it is row has been updated. Now I'm going to store the data permanently in the tables stable storage. So store the data permanently, the command is commit. So once we give a commit, the data has been stored permanently. Now display the details of the order table. So display the details, we want to select into from orders. Detail has been shown. Now insert the records 108 10th November 14 in the order table. So I'm going to insert few records in the order table. Table rows be inserted. Now remove the records from the orders where order ID is equal to 104. To remove the record, the command is delete from orders where order ID table is 104. The rows is deleted. Now display the details of the product whose price is greater than 100. So display the details of the product whose price is greater than 100. I'm going to give the command is select product and ID product. The price should be greater than 100. So the values will be displayed. Sorry. Now display all the orders placed by the customer 2. So display all the orders that is being placed by the customer 2. And here it is there, and then display the details of the table or chair product. So display the details of the table. I didn't give any product for the chair or product, so I get no data found. And display the details of customer whose name is Richard Newman. So I'm going to display. Here it is given, and then copy the customer table to a new table. So I'm going to copy the customer, so that is create table, new table, as select into from customer. So table has been created, and then now rename the new table as customer 1. To rename new customer to customer 1, I'm going to give statement is processed. Remove all data from the customer 1 table. So I'm deleting the table from the values from customer 1, the table, rows is deleted. Now drop the structure of the customer 1 table. The structure of the table 1 has been dropped. That's it. Thank you, ma'am.